Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. For those of you that are new, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Belinda and I'm glad that you stopped by my channel. Beauties, today I have another Dollar Tree DIY for you. February is just around the corner and you know what that means. And Valentine's will be right here before we even know it. Love is in the air for the month of February. So with that being said, I want to go ahead and create a DIY that of course relates to Valentine's Day. I'm going to be doing a heart wreath and it's going to be adorned with white roses. I am excited to do this. I think that it's going to be a beautiful home decor for the month of February, and this is going to be something that I think that you can keep throughout the year. I'm going to be displaying it in my bedroom, you know, just have that romantic touch to it. Then I think that this DIY will add that touch to your bedroom or really any room that you choose. I'm going to put it in my bedroom because that's where I want it to be all nice and romantic, especially for the month of February. So my beauties, if you want to see how I put this together, then just keep watching. Let me go ahead and show you the items that I'm going to use. And these are all from Dollar Tree. I purchased this heart foam. It's not pretty big, but I think that once that I adorn it with the white roses, I think it's gonna look really nice and a lot bigger and fuller. And these are the white roses that I'm going to be using. These are also from the Dollar Tree. I hope that you can see them. They're nice and full. They're absolutely beautiful. I love white roses. I went ahead and I purchased 5 of them. I'm gonna see if this will be enough. I'm hoping that it will be enough to cover my heart. We'll see. So anyhow, my beauties, if you wanna see how I put this DIY together, then just please keep watching. But before that we get started, I just wanna ask if you could please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also if you could hit that bell button, you know, right there in the corner so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. All right, my beauties, let's go ahead and get started with this Valentine's DIY. Bye. Okay, so I'm going to use 1 foam heart, white roses. I purchased 5 of the rose bouquets, a glue gun. I also DIY'd that glue gun stand. If you're interested, I'll link the video up above. The first thing that I'm going to do is remove all the roses off the stems. I ended up with 24 roses, but I only used 22. I'm going to push the rose stem into the foam. And then I'm going to add some hot glue to the stem. And then I'll go ahead and push my stem into the little pocket that I had first created. And I'm just going to repeat the same steps until I cover the heart completely with the roses. I'm only adding the roses to the front side of the heart. am done adding all the roses, and like I said, I only used 22 roses. Here, I just want to bring you up close so that you can see what the side looks like. My rose heart is complete, and here is my Valentine's DIY. I decided to add the rose heart to this wall decor that hangs above my hubby and I's bed. I love what it reads, and they lived happily ever after. I think that the heart just completed the wall decor. Well, my beauties, that is it for this DIY. You have yourself a blessed day, and I will see you on my next video. So bye-bye and God bless.